Before, you can see how blurry and unsharp this video is. After and now see how clear and sharp the video has become. So in Filmora 12, a new feature has come, the Sharpen tool. And along with it many Luts effects have also been added. So today we will see both these things. First there is the Sharpen tool, then the video has to be selected. Then it has to come in the colored section, then the Sharpen tool will appear at the bottom. Here is the Sharpen tool, you have to turn it on, then you have to keep increasing this slider until you get the right result. And these are also new features. Now we can see before and after of our video. So now let's see the Luts effects. There are a lot of Luts added here. In the last, you can enhance the video a bit more by using the light tool. Hope you liked the Sharpen tool and Luts effects too.